For me, it was basically the format of a 3-day program with a very practical approach to it. The program here at Cranfield actually does that really well, combining the sort of theory and best practices in academia with actual practical applications of that. Well, I wanted to get some practical tools and tips of how to apply key account management in my own organization. And I'm actually managing a team, so for me it's also about, I guess, how to implement the structure of managing key accounts in an organization. Key account management is about the entire organization. It's not at all comparable to a sales job, but it's more aligning the whole organization around a common goal to reach a certain objective with a common customer. There's a lot of work that has gone on in our organization on key account management before, but maybe not as structured. So now what I have and what I can take back home are the tools to actually take all of that and put that into an actionable plan for myself, my team, and our organization to actually deliver on. A good program for anyone who is in a more senior general management position who wants to implement key account management into the organization, because I think there's a little bit of a mindset shift that needs to happen in an organization, and because it touches so many people, it's actually a nice program to make people realize that it's not just a sales program. At the beginning, in terms of practicality and tools, was a key part for me, because often when you go to these programs, you have a lot of theory, and you end up with a lot of theory at the end of the day, but it's difficult to apply this theory back in your day-to-day job, and this is different here. So here now, actually, I have all the tools, and this is why I think it's extremely valuable.